Are you guys facing the issue of your game not loading up basically after the update? Well, here is how you can fix it. Now the issue is not with the game. The game just got updated and your files haven't updated as well, due to which your mode isn't working. Now to fix it, you want to start by opening up your OpenIV. So if you use mods, you probably do have OpenIV, right? So you want to proceed to open it up. Once you open up, it'll start opening up and you want to let it load up. Now, proceed to head in or proceed to enable and select yes. And now you can see this list of options. You want to head into modes folder, head into update. From here now, you want to head into update.rpf, then head into common data, and you'll find this list of options. Now the problem what is causing your game or your mod is not opening is due to this particular file dlclist.xml. What you'll have to do is now, if you had created a backup of it, you want to replace it. So in my case, I have a backup file here. So you can see GTA 5 folders here. And you can see here, now if you tried removing OpenIV.asi, that as well helps in opening the game. The game works fine, but your mode wouldn't work. It won't work at all if you remove this OpenIV.asi. So the trick here is, as you can see here on this folder, you'll see this GTA 5 original list. This is the previous backup folder of DLC list. So you want to drag and drop it here and you want to replace it. And that way your game will open up. However, you will lose your beds. Now you'll have to rebuild it again and add it again to your folder, your beds. However, your ramps and all will be fine and your modes will work fine. Even your menu will work fine. Hope this video was helpful. Hit a like and subscribe.